Are you tired of working a boring 9-to-5 job that barely pays the bills? Are you looking for a more exciting way to make money without having to spend hours of hard work? Well, you're watching the perfect video, because I'm going to show you how to use panel stars to make $340 a day from the comfort of your own home. I'll be taking you through everything that you need to do step by step, so be sure to pay close attention right until the end, because I don't want you to miss any important money-making details. Let's get right into it. So, what is Panel Stars? Well, it's a game changer in the world of social media marketing. Panel Stars is a website that offers you a quick, easy, and super affordable solution to boost your online presence. With just a few clicks, you can purchase likes, follows, views, and a whole lot more engagement at a fraction of the cost you'd spend on traditional marketing methods. It's like giving your online presence a turbo boost without emptying your wallet. The good news is that pretty much anyone can benefit from it. Whether you're a small business owner, an up-and-coming influencer, or just someone who wants to make a splash on social media, Panel Stars has got you covered. And the best part, you don't have to be a social media whiz to use it. The website is super user-friendly and intuitive, so you can get started and see results in a snap. I know you're probably itching to find out how Panel Stars actually works. So here's a quick rundown before we dive into the details. First things first, you'll need to create an account. Once you've got that all set up, it's time to choose which social media platform you want to focus on. Whether you're all about Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or any other platform, Panel Stars has got you covered. Then comes the fun part, selecting the type of engagement you're after. We're talking likes, followers, views, comments, and all the good stuff that makes your post shine brighter than ever. Trust me, the more engagement you have, the better your post will perform. And Panel Stars works like magic, giving your online presence a major boost in no time. This makes Panel Stars the perfect tool for our method today. So now that you know all about it, let's dive into step 1 of today's tutorial. Step 1. Sign up to Panel Stars. Alright, let's get you set up with a Panel Stars account. First things first, head over to the Panel Stars homepage and look for the Sign Up button. It's located in the top right corner of the page. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to the registration page where you'll need to enter a few details. The first step is to enter your first name, last name, and email address. This helps to verify your identity and keep your account safe and sound. Next, it's time to create a strong password that you'll remember. This is your secret key to unlocking your account whenever you need to access it in the future, so choose wisely and keep it safe. Now it's time to choose your time zone. This is important because it makes sure that your social media engagement is delivered at the right time for your audience. Take a moment to read through the website's terms and policies, and once you've agreed to them, hit the Create New Account button. Once your account is all set up, you can head over to your account dashboard, where you can start exploring all the amazing features that Panel Stars has to offer, and start purchasing social media engagement to boost your online presence. Step 2. Create a gig on Fiverr. So, you've signed up for Panel Stars, but now, how can you make money with this awesome tool? Well, by creating a gig on Fiverr selling 1,000 TikTok followers. By creating a gig on Fiverr selling 1,000 TikTok followers, you can help other business owners who are trying to sell their products on TikTok but don't have enough followers to put their website in their bio. First things first, head over to Fiverr and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, choose a category that matches your skills. In this case, we'll choose social media marketing and create a gig to start selling your service. To create a gig, just fill in all the necessary details. Start by giving your gig a catchy title that clearly states what you're offering. Something like, "Get 1,000 TikTok followers in just one day" would work perfectly. Then, in the description, explain how you'll deliver the followers, how long it'll take, and what the benefits are. Don't forget to mention that the followers are real and will help increase engagement on their TikTok account. You can also offer some add-ons, like extra followers or faster delivery for an additional fee. Once you've written your gig description, it's time to set the price. Remember, you want to make sure you're making a profit, so set your price 5 times higher than what you'll be paying for the followers on Panel Stars. For example, if you're buying 1,000 followers on Panel Stars for $10, you could sell them on Fiverr for $50. Step 3. Create a gig image using Canva. So, once you've created your Fiverr account and set up your gig selling TikTok followers, it's time to create a gig image that will catch people's attention and make them want to buy your services. This is where Canva comes in. Canva is a fantastic online tool that allows you to create all sorts of graphic designs, including gig images. The great thing about Canva is that it's incredibly user-friendly and doesn't require any graphic design skills. You can choose from loads of templates, graphics, and fonts and customize everything to your liking. To get started, head over to Canva and create a free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of design options, including social media posts, flyers, logos, and more. You can search for a Fiverr gig template and choose a design that you like. Next, you'll want to customize the template to fit your specific gig. Add your own text and images and make sure to include the most important selling points of your service, such as 1,000 TikTok followers in just a few days, or boost your TikTok presence with real high-quality followers. Don't be afraid to get creative with your design. Use bright, eye-catching colors and graphics that will grab people's attention and make them want to click on your gig. Keep in mind that your gig image is often the first thing potential customers will see, so you want to make a great first impression. Once you're happy with your design, download the image and upload it to your Fiverr gig and simply publish it. Step 4. Fulfill any orders using panel stars. So, you've set up your Fiverr gig and created a stunning gig image using Canva. Now it's time to start making money by fulfilling orders with the help of panel stars. Whenever you receive an order on Fiverr, it's important to act quickly and efficiently. The last thing you want is to leave a customer waiting and risk receiving a negative review. So, the first step is to check your order and see what social media engagement the customer has requested. Once you know what they need, it's time to head over to Panel Stars and place an order for the exact same service. Using Panel Stars to fulfill your Fiverr orders is super easy and convenient. You simply log into your Panel Stars account, choose the service you need, whether it's likes, followers, views, or comments, and enter the relevant details. This might include the social media platform, the account username, and the number of likes, followers, views, comments required. Once you've entered all of the necessary information, you can sit back and relax while Panel Stars takes care of the rest. They use advanced algorithms and cutting-edge technology to deliver high-quality social media engagement quickly and efficiently. And the best part? You don't have to lift a finger. Once the order is complete, you'll receive a notification from Panel Stars letting you know that the engagement has been delivered. At this point, it's time to deliver the order to your Fiverr customer. Simply head back to the Fiverr platform, mark the order as complete, and provide any additional information the customer may need. As for the profit, this is where you make your money. Remember, you set the price for your Fiverr gig at 5 times higher than what Panel Stars offers. So, if Panel Stars charges you $5 to fulfill an order for 1,000 TikTok followers, and you sell that same service on Fiverr for $25, you've just made a profit of $20 per order. And that's it. I hope you found these tips helpful and are excited to start earning some extra cash. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Happy earning!